Which choice completes the text with the most logical transition? Earth's auroras, colorful displays of light seen above the northern and southern poles, result, broadly speaking, from the sun's activity. Blink, the sun releases charged particles that are captured by Earth's magnetic field and channeled towards the poles. These particles then collide with atoms in the atmosphere, causing the atoms to emit auroral light. So looking at this text, we can see that the first sentence introduces Earth's auroras and highlights that they are caused from the sun's activity. The second sentence elaborates on this by highlighting how the sun releases charged particles that are captured by Earth's magnetic field and then channeled toward Earth's poles. And the third sentence finally relates this to auroral light, where it says that these particles collide with atoms in the atmosphere, and this creates the auroral light. Therefore, the connection, or the best word for this blink here, would highlight how this second sentence shows an elaboration of what was said earlier. So, looking at the answer choices, we can see that A says specifically. This seems to be the correct answer because specifically means to elaborate on what was said earlier, and in this case, this highlights how the Earth's auroras are caused from sun's activity, where the second sentence says that they are the sun releases charged particles, and this particles are channeled towards the poles. Therefore, it specifically properly highlights how the Earth's auroras are caused by this sun's activity. Therefore, A seems to be the correct answer. B, similarly. This is incorrect, because this would imply that the second sentence is similar to what was said in the first sentence. But this is not the purpose of the second sentence, because the purpose of the second sentence is to elaborate on what was said earlier, not to compare what was said in the first sentence to what was said in the second sentence. Therefore, we can eliminate B, because this incorrectly highlights the connection between the first and the second sentence. C, nevertheless. This is incorrect because nevertheless would imply that there is a contrast between these two sentences, but this is not so because the second sentence and the first sentence have no contrast. Instead, the second sentence highlights or elaborates on what was said earlier regarding how the Earth's auroras are caused from the sun's activity. Therefore, C, nevertheless, is incorrect. D, hence. This is incorrect because hence in this case would imply that the second sentence is the result of what was said earlier, but this is not the case because the second sentence, which discusses how the sun releases charged particles and channels them towards the pole to create the auroras, isn't the result of the first sentence saying that the Earth's auroras are caused by the sun's activity. Therefore, D can be eliminated, and with this we're left with A as the correct answer.